Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Bob Trade Genius, the 16th of July. I'm going to talk silver and silver miners today. Well, some gold miners too. Just basically the stocks that I've been focusing on since this weekend, and I put out a list, and I just want to go through that. Here's silver. Here, it's trying to push out. It broke out here. Bull flagging. I don't like this tail here though. But if it breaks through, then it's Katie bar the door. We're going to start really moving here on silver, and you can see it. The miners are expecting it. Here's First Majestic. I didn't buy it. I was looking back actually for more of a pullback, and it just took off on me on Monday, so I didn't chase it. We're already in ALO, and that's just doing great. I'm waiting for a pullback on CDE to get in. Um, Here's EXK. It took off like a rocket also on Monday, and I didn't get into this one either. It took off too fast. Thought it would pull back. Kind of missed it. I'm not going to talk FCX here. Here's GDX. Um, GDX. We bought this on Friday, and I'm just holding this one. I'm doing calls with it for August, and I'm selling calls against it. So bought the 26, selling the 27s. I'm going to continue to do that until the 27's taken out, which I'm sure it will be. And I'm doing the same thing with GDXJ. I'm in. This is our buy price actually today, 36.05. Had a couple pushes higher, but the market itself was selling off, so it kind of gave it some pushback. But bought the 36. I'm selling the 37s against it, weekly against an August 36. Um, Not in GOLD yet. I think it's going to push down. It's going to be affected by I think the market itself, but it's getting close to an area where probably there's another buy coming on it. Goro, we got into Goro yesterday, 325, and now 345. Nice move. About time for Goro. We bought GPL today, pretty much at this price. We got in GSV yesterday at 98, but this is definitely a lot of. This thing can really rocket, and it's been pushed down really hard. We got in Hecla yesterday at 170. We're still waiting to get in a KGC here. It's flagging out. I was hoping to come down a little bit more. Same with Mag Silver. I was waiting for that to come back a little bit too, and still waiting on that one. NGD, what a rocket ship this has been for us. And once it gets over 137, it hits our target. But look at this move as a double. I expect to see this on more and more and more of these miners as they start to get recognition. PAS broke out today. I didn't chase it, but I think if it pulls back to the breakout, I think I'm going to jump back in on it. And then here's the ETFs. So SAL still hasn't broken out yet. SALJ has broken out though. So this might be something people are maybe interested in getting into. I'm not going to trade these ETFs. And then let's see here. Oh, and USAS we're in as well. Beautiful move for us here too. It pushed up to 260. Actually a little bit higher, 265, and this is after hours, so we'll see what this thing does tomorrow. But we're moving stops up on everything. It should be a pretty wild ride going into the July 31st meeting here with the Fed, and a big move here for wheat and precious metals too. And so if you like something a little bit less volatile and a little bit more reliable, and if you like to sell options against it, this is a nice one to do it with. But it looks like it's going to try to push up the 25.50 area. So those are the miners. We're pretty happy. Focusing on everything else is probably going to be pointless. I have some FCX, I have some AK Steel, I have some oil in the portfolio, but I think the move's going to be in silver miners, and this is where we have to focus. And if it breaks out, just look at 2011 if you want to see how excited you can get. It'll rival crypto in its moves. That's how powerful these silver miners will go once they break out. They've been so suppressed for so long that it'll be like somebody putting a hammer to a toothpaste tube. This stuff is going to come flying and flying higher. And you can make between 4 and 8 times your money here in a very, very short period of time. And if you trade options, it could be multiples of that. So start thinking about silver, and incredible silver lining coming. See you later. Oh, check us out, tradelikeagenius.com. Make money with us. I threw the specials back on, and if you guys want to take advantage of it, what we charge for the service, what you get out of it, just it pales in comparison in your benefit. Bye.